In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link FBS broker with MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your FBS broker, then go to more here, this one. So click on it, go to trading account, and you will see here your informations. Okay, now we have here company name, click on copy. Then you have to go to MetaTrader 5. Go to these three lines here at the top left and click on manage account. Click on the plus, and here on find broker you have to type FBS Market Inc. This one, click on it. Click on login to an existing account because you have already an account on FBS. We have here the login. Let's go back to FBS. We have here the login, copy. Let's go to MetaTrader 5, paste it here. We have the password, copy. Let's paste it here. We have the server. Okay, let's see what server we have. FBS demo. FBS demo. Okay, now click on login. And let's wait for a few moments. And as you can see, this is our account. $1,000. If we go back to FBS, $1,000, 866. If we go to MT5, we should see that 866. Okay. And that's it. Now, as you can see, we have here FBS demo. This is the account we are using now. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.